Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Shut up. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing my tips and tricks on how to start your own YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited and let's just get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about is film equipment. I have two cameras. When I started my channel I used my phone. Back then I had the iPhone 5C I think. Yeah, that was horrible. Not because of the quality or anything, but because my phone had like not a lot of storage. That wasn't fun. So then I got my first camera, which was the Canon 1200D. It was a great camera, but you couldn't like flip your screen and see yourself, and I think that's really annoying. I didn't really like that anymore. So in summer 2017 I got this camera, which is the Canon 700D. It's a great camera. This was what I was talking about, like see yourself and stuff, and that's just really useful. With that camera I have the 50mm lens and I love this. Like, this is my baby. I love this. But I do use my camera more for photography than filming. I just don't like filming with that camera. It's great, but I just prefer filming with my camera I'm filming with right now, which is the Canon G7X. Every single YouTuber has this camera basically, but it's just so nice. I love it. I love the quality. I love the camera itself. I just really like it. And before this I had the Canon M10 and I did like it. It was kind of a small camera but not really, so it was still just not really useful to like take it with you everywhere, and this is just really small and you can take it with you anywhere. About lighting, so this is really weird because I'm gonna say that I prefer like natural lighting, but I'm filming with a studio light right now. I am still kind of really struggling with lighting. I bought a studio light like maybe 2 years ago, but I don't really like it. Like, it's fine, but I don't really like this lighting because it's like, I don't know. But if I get home from school late and it's already dark outside, or like almost dark, I have to. I mean, I can film in natural lighting then, but I don't really have a choice now. I do prefer natural lighting, so you don't have to get like a studio light, but if you do, don't get mine. Mine is from, I don't even know where it's from. You can find lots of studio lights on Amazon. Basically every YouTuber I know gets their studio lights from Amazon, so if you want to get that, check Amazon. But mine's not from Amazon and it's not so great. So the next thing we have is kind of one of the most important things in my opinion, which is editing. Editing is maybe the hardest part of YouTube. Editing it takes a lot of time and effort, creativity. You don't have to be creative, but it's easier to be creative because then you're like original, you know? I actually made a video about how I edit my YouTube videos and thumbnails, so if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. So I'm not really going into how I edit because I kind of made a video about that. Check that out if you want to know how I edit. So next up we have how to find your own style. This is so hard, like it takes a long time. I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years and I still don't know like what my style is. A few things I can say about this is that you just have to try to be kind of different. Not that different because then no one will watch your videos. Be unique, like be original. Like I would say make popular videos, because like if you make videos that a lot of people are like searching for, that's great because you can get like more views and more subscribers. But then make those videos you. Like make them original and make them different from the rest of the videos, you know? And I know this is really hard, but I've been trying it out lately and it's been really working for me because I've been getting so many compliments about my editing and how it's like original kind of. Honestly, hearing that you're original is like one of the best compliments ever. And also something I have to say about finding your own style is that you have to make videos that you like. Like obviously if you make videos you don't like, that's not fun. But if you make videos you like, your videos will be better, because if you make something you like, you're like really getting into it. Like if I would make a video about gaming, like obviously I'm not doing that because I don't like gaming. Imagine if I would make a video about gaming and I would be like really not like happy in that video because I don't like it. If I make a video about like music, concerts, traveling, anything like that, I'm just a lot more like open-minded and just genuine about my video. Obviously nicer for me to make, but also nicer for you guys to watch. That doesn't make any sense, but what I wanted to say is that you have to make videos that you like. So this is probably the part that everyone who clicks on this video has been waiting for, which is how to get views and subscribers. Obviously I can't tell you what to do to get subscribers, so if you're gonna try whatever I'm saying right now and you don't get subscribers or views, not my fault, because I'm not telling you exactly how to get them. I'm just sharing my own personal experiences and like how I think you can get subscribers and views. Honestly, the thing that's been working for me the most is posting regularly. When I started YouTube I didn't really have time with school and I was posting like once a month, maybe once in 2 months. Not a lot, you know? And lately I've been posting like twice a week or maybe sometimes 3 times a week, and I just can see a difference. Also, what's been really working for me is to comment on other people's videos, because you are like supporting them and giving them feedback, and they will do the same for you. Like whenever I comment on someone's video, they like the comment, they reply to the comment, and then they comment on my videos. You know, it's just like a support thing. So commenting really helps me grow my channel, because if you comment on someone's video, other people will see that comment as well, and they will like go to your channel and watch your videos and subscribe if you're lucky. I would really recommend doing that. Something else I wanted to talk about is how to get motivated for videos. I can only say one thing about this, and that's that you have to love it. Like if you don't love making videos, you're not gonna get motivated. Like if you're only doing it to get like views and subscribers, it will not work out, because if you don't love making videos, you can't keep up with it. YouTube can be really stressful and like pushing at sometimes. So if you don't love it, you will not be able to handle that. And that's not because you're weak or anything, but because you just don't like doing it. Some things that are really helping me to get like motivated for my videos is to watch other people their videos, so you can get like inspired. And what I do a lot is watch my own videos, like my old videos, but also like my most recent ones, so you can get like, oh, I want to do this again, or I want to get better at this, you know. That's really motivating for me. And also something else that's really nice, I don't do this a lot, it can be kind of expensive. If you're feeling unmotivated, buy something that like can step up your game so you can get more motivated. Like for me, that would be like buy a microphone, or buy a studio light, or buy a new camera, but that's expensive. But just buy something that can make you motivated for videos again, you know. Beginning of this summer, I was really unmotivated and was like, oh my god, I'm gonna quit YouTube. But then I switched my channel up. I went from Dutch to English. I got a MacBook instead of a Windows computer, and I love it again. Like I'm really loving YouTube right now. Everything's going great. I love YouTube. I love it. I love it. I love it. It doesn't have to be something really expensive. It can also be filters to put on your videos. It can also be, literally it can be anything. Just buy something that makes you excited to make videos again. The last tip I have to get motivated is take your mind off things, because if you're feeling really unmotivated, just take a break. Like stop making videos for a while, just do stuff that you would like, go relax, just really take a break. That's what I experience when I take a break. Then I get back and I'm like better than ever. Not really, but like I'm more motivated. Then I would like to share some of my favorite YouTubers with you guys. My all-time favorite YouTubers right now are probably Summer McKeen, Hannah Meloche, and Jess Conti. I think they are great. They are so inspiring, so nice. I love them so much. Lastly but not least, I want to share some of my personal tips with you guys. Here are some of my personal tips to make your videos better. My first tip is to make your intro not too long. Like around 30 seconds is okay, not longer than 30 seconds, you know. I'm not talking about like the intro where you talk like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, but I'm talking about the music intro in your video, and I don't really use those intros a lot. People like Emma and Marla Catherine sometimes, a really Tumblr and aesthetic intro. I love those intros, but don't make them too long because that's really boring. My other tip, I've mentioned this in this video before, post regularly. Like post a lot, as much as you can basically. My next tip is to be funny and enthusiastic. Is that the way how you pronounce enthusiastic? I'm not sure, but be like happy and funny. Well, not happy, but yeah, enthusiastic is the word, but I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And be like funny or something, so people like keep watching you. Like I'm not really so funny, but it's fine. My next tip is to write down everything. This has happened to me a lot. I am somewhere on the train or somewhere and I don't have like a notebook with me, and I get an idea for like a video, and then I get home and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot what it was. That's not so great. So if you have any video ideas or ideas for thumbnails or anything, write it down. It doesn't have to be in like a notebook or anything. It can be on your phone. Just write it down so you don't forget it. I think that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you have a YouTube channel so I can check your channel out. And also comment down below if you have any tips or like feedback for me, because I love seeing that, and then I can like step up my game. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!